Let me guess, you applied for WhatsApp Business API and got approved, but you are wondering why your broadcasting limit is 250 users per day, right? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will tell you how you can increase your WhatsApp broadcasting limit from 250 users per day to 1000 unique users per day via a process called WhatsApp KYC verification. This is a mandatory process you need to follow if you wish to higher your broadcasting limit for WhatsApp Business API. Hi, this is Shashvi, a customer success specialist at AiSensy, and in this video, I will share the step-by-step process to apply for KYC with AiSensy. First, you need to have an approved WhatsApp Business API account created via AiSensy. If you do not have this requirement ready, you can check our help center for the steps you need to apply for WhatsApp Business API, or you can watch this video. Next, you need a GST number and your GST certificate. If you do not have your GST, you can also use your Udyam and MSME number. Once you have these requirements ready, let's start your KYC verification process. Make sure that your Facebook Business Manager name matches with your legal name or trade name. In case your Facebook Business Manager name is different, you need to change the name first and then apply for WhatsApp KYC verification. Now, go to AiSensy dashboard and tap on the section Increase your messaging limit and get your display name approved. Under that section, click the button Start KYC. Here you have two options. You can either enter your GST number and upload your GST certificate. If you do not have GST number, choose the option for MSME and enter your Udyam number here. After entering the number, select your number or email ID that you use to register on AiSensy. You will get an OTP on this number or mail. Enter the OTP to successfully submit your WhatsApp KYC application with AiSensy. That's it. The details you have entered are correct. Your KYC will get approved within 2 to 3 business days and your broadcasting limit will increase your 250 to 1000 unique users per day. Note here that you have just been upgraded to WhatsApp Broadcasting Tier 1. There are a total of 4 broadcasting tiers. In Tier 1, you will have a broadcasting limit of 1000 unique users per day, followed by 10,000 users broadcasting limit in Tier 2. And in Tier 3, you will have a broadcasting of 1 lakh users per day. And in the 4th and final broadcasting tier limit, you will unlock the potential of sending broadcasts to unlimited users per day. To achieve this limit, just broadcast to half the users of your broadcasting limit. So if your current broadcast limit is 1000, send a message to 500 unique users in the period of 7 days. Similarly, if you will broadcast to 5000 unique users per day, your limit will increase to 1 lakh unique users per day. We hope this video made it easy for you to increase your WhatsApp broadcasting limit. Thank you.